Well, Wiper Party leader Kalonzo Musyoka there condemning the rise of abduction cases in the country. More from that address will be coming in our subsequent bulletins right here on KTN. So please do stay with us. Now, Kenya's Open University of Kenya has held its inaugural graduation ceremony where some 78 students graduated. The event was presided over by Education Cabinet Secretary Dr. Julius Migos Ogamba at the Konza City. Graduates were urged to help transform the leadership of the country. Addressing its first cohort of graduates, the university leadership decried a spike in irresponsible leadership in the country. Acting Vice Chancellor Professor Elijah Omwenga said the graduation was a key step in the university's journey towards enhancing access to higher education.
The fourth industrial revolution is with us, and we must ensure that our workforce is not left behind. This university must play a critical role in preparing Kenyans for the future of work, where automation, artificial intelligence, and data science will be dominant factors. Our graduates have to be equipped not just to find jobs, but to create them by fostering entrepreneurship and innovation.
Over 3,800 students have been admitted to high-impact programs out of about 13,000 who have expressed their interest in ILMS. Of these students, 1,300 have been enrolled and are actively engaged in learning.
Elsewhere, women from different parts of Embu County have come out strongly in defense of government